Alright, so I started off with one of those little 1/24th scale plastic models that a bunch of us guys grew up with when we were kids. Decided I was going to chop her in half, and I added about an inch to the width. I also added, I don't know, about 3/4 of an inch to the bottom, or sorry, the whole entire chassis as well, to fit the wheelbase. Haven't finished the bed yet, just kind of got everything mounted up. I've drilled out the lights for LEDs in the future, and it's come along pretty nicely. It's running a little bit slow right now because it's extremely cold in here, as well as I have the throttle travel turned down to 75% rather than 150, so it's actually 50%, just because I didn't want dramatic wheel spin. Plus I'm using a micro crawler speed controller so that I can use my 2.4 gigahertz rather than using a AM radio. I plan on actually completing the engine bay as well as partially completing the interior. Gonna probably cover the back here with a tonneau cover, and I'm also right now widening the tailgate and the bumper so that I can mount them up as well. All in all, I don't know, it cost me maybe $35 to do, so I mean, it costs as much as a 1/10 scale body almost, but and you can't bash it. But it turned out pretty nicely, and then I got a couple little drives in with it just for, I don't know, just for fun, just to try it out. It's not too bad. I already cracked the bottom here. I'm gonna have to mend that. Kind of sucks, but it's the name of the game. Okay, hope you guys enjoy, and enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want. Thanks, guys.